This next tutorial is for Content Analyzer. So once we've determined we have a keyword that we want to go ahead and write content for to try to get ranked, we'll want to take the keyword and actually go ahead and run Content Analyzer on it. So what Content Analyzer will do is it will go out and inspect the URLs of the ranking pages that we just looked at, and it will look for all the common keywords that are in those pages. It will also tell you if those words are in heading tags. It will give total word count and average word counts. This will help you in creating your content so that you have a page that is extremely relevant to the keyword according to how the search engines are looking at it. If you already have an existing URL, you can actually turn on this and add your URL in there, and it will compare it head to head with the URLs that are already ranking. In this case, I haven't structured a URL yet or a page, so I'm going to turn this off and I'm going to click Analyze Keyword. This tool takes about a minute or two to run, so we'll come back in a moment once it's complete. So now the tool is finished, and we'll go ahead and click on the result, and we'll take a look at the data. So as you can see on the top line, we get a total word count of each URL. And if you hover over the URL and the number, it will tell you what the URL is. And so we'll take a look here. Okay, so what we see here is a high word count for these articles. More than likely, something more than 2,500 words would be required, and the average is 2,700. So that should be a target for your word count for the article. You'll see the highest number of words is actually ranked the lowest on the page. So you don't have to do a whole lot. Somewhere between 2,500 and 3,000 words would be sufficient. And then you can see the semantic keywords that are in the article. So obviously the word probiotics would be the most used, and this chart is sorted by average. And it tells you the individual URLs, the number of times they actually use this keyword in the content, on down through all of these words. If the word is used in a heading tag, it will give you an indication of what type of tag this word was found in and on at least one of the pages. So you can see how important the H tags are. And X means that the word was not found in any of the heading tags. Now you do have to be careful with the heading tags because some sites use heading tags in a variety of ways. But from your standpoint, you want to know that when you're doing your content and you're subdividing your page among headings, that you want to include certain words in your heading tags. So this chart gives you an idea of what type of content keywords there should be beyond your main keyword and related keywords. Now we'll go ahead and we'll look for the related keywords for signs probiotics are working. We want to find related keywords because we'll want to include those as well. And we'll see you in the next tutorial.